We are going to review top 5 best folding shopping carts. Let's get started. List number 1. HEREINWAY Foldable Shopping Cart. The HEREINWAY portable metal grocery cart is lightweight at just 7.5 pounds and features 8 rolling swivel wheels, along with a removable waterproof canvas bag. The 8 swivel wheels allow this folding cart to roll over stairs, rough terrain and can move heavy items whether they be groceries, laundry, office supplies, books, tools, etc. The versatility of this personal cart is ideal for seniors who are living on their own or are within walking distance to the grocery store. The soft handle lengthens and rotates to accommodate a multitude of heights and comfortable grip positions. The frame also collapses so you can use it as a dolly and store it in a small space. List number 2. SALESMAKER Mobile Folding Cart. This lightweight, durable and foldable trolley is great for seniors who are looking for their own personal version of the typical shopping cart model found at the grocery store. The SALESMAKER cart has a removable folding crate so that you can use the 2 shelves for larger, bulkier loads, or you can fold up the top shelf to place tall items on the bottom shelf. It includes a back wheel brake for loading while on an incline, and can easily be collapsed and stored in small spaces with the push of a button. This folding shopping cart comes in gray with green accents for a unique look that's quite different than most other rolling shopping carts for seniors. The Clax is lightweight for its size, weighing under 15 pounds, and it can hold up to 132 pounds. List number 3. PIPISHELL Shopping Cart with Dual Swivel Wheels for Groceries. The PIPISHELL is our pick for the best classic grocery cart option for seniors. The PIPISHELL is lightweight, durable, foldable and easy to maneuver with its 2 front 360-degree swivel wheels and 2 7-inch diameter back wheels. It features a classic, no-nonsense design composed of a simple black metal frame. The soft sponge handle is adjustable to 3 different height options allowing for optimal comfort, and the 10-pound black steel frame can hold up to 66 pounds of groceries. Foldable for compact storage. Wheels can be removed. Lightweight and sturdy steel material. Soft sponge handle. Adjustable handle for 3 different heights. List number 4. VERSACART Transit Original Folding Shopping and Utility Cart. The VERSACART is a great option for seniors looking for a lightweight rolling shopping cart that's ultra-mobile and requires limited assembly. Arriving pre-assembled, just pop on the wheels, this steel-framed foldable cart comes in 2 different colors, blue and tango red. There are double front swivel wheels for easy maneuverability and double rear wheels to keep the cart stable. The extra-large water-resistant canvas bag is detachable and has a fitted cover for protection from inclement weather. The cart also folds for convenient storage in small living spaces. There are also 2 separate handles with contoured grips, making this a comfortable cart for elderly individuals with arthritis. List number 5. WELLMAX WM99024S Grocery Utility Shopping Cart. Similar in appearance to the PIPISHELL shopping cart, the WELLMAX features a classic gray metal frame, front swivel wheels, 2 large durable back wheels, and a soft handle. It features a simple lightweight design, and it folds up for flat storage. It can hold up to 66 pounds of items, and the cart's large back wheels allows elderly individuals to easily maneuver it over stairs or sidewalks. Lightweight at just over 10 pounds. Durable steel frame with chrome finish. Simple, no-nonsense design that won't overwhelm seniors. 2 front 360 degrees 3 inches rubber swivel wheels and 2 large 7 inches rear wheels.